How to change folder and search options in Windows 10. Tired of digging through confusing results just to change your folder and search settings in Windows 10 or 11? In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to tweak those search options to make finding your files faster and more efficient. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to change folder and search options. First, here's how you can change the folder and search options. Open File Explorer. Click the three dots at the top, then select Options, Folder Options. In the Folder Options window, go to the Search tab. Adjust these settings if needed. Enable search for system files. Include compressed files, zip, cab, etc. Search by file names only for faster results. Click OK to save your changes. Using advanced search filters in File Explorer. To use advanced search filters, open File Explorer and go to the folder you want. Right-click inside the folder and choose Sort By. Pick a filter to organize the files. Name to sort alphabetically. Date modified to sort by last update. Type to sort by file type. Size to sort by file size. Choose ascending or descending order as needed. How to change indexing options for better search performance. Next, let's go over how to change indexing options. First, you'll need to access indexing options. Open Settings and go to Search. Click Searching Windows. Then choose Advanced Indexing Settings. In the window that opens, click Modify. After that, you can customize indexed locations. After clicking Modify, a new window will appear. Uncheck folders you don't need in search results. Check folders you search often or that are important to you. If search results are still slow or inaccurate after changing settings, try rebuilding the index. In Indexing Options, click Advanced. Go to the Index Settings tab. Click Rebuild. Wait for it to finish. This may take a few minutes depending on how many files you have. If you have more than one drive, you can speed up searches by moving the index to a faster one. Open Indexing Options. Click Advanced, then choose New Index Location. Pick a faster drive like an SSD for better performance. Troubleshooting search issues. For troubleshooting search issues, here are some quick tips. If your search is slow or not working, open the Task Manager. Go to the Services tab and make sure the Windows search service is running. Meanwhile, if a file is not appearing in results, open Indexing Options. Click Modify, and make sure the folder containing the file is selected. Knowing how to change search settings can make finding files faster and more accurate, especially if you handle a lot of data. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to change the folder and search options linked in the description below.